bars requiring line 2, shot to 4. Woo! That's a 1 for 1. I'll take it. 2 for 2. Yay! 3 for 3. Woo! 4 for 4. Yay! 5 for 5. So good. So good. All right, we are ready to move on to the next step, which is requiring the third line and chopping for a full retrieve. Bump him in the head. Woo! So good. Good job. So that's 2 for 1. Very good. 3 for 2. Whoa, good job. 4 for 3. Yay. 5 for 4. So good. You're so good. Yay. 1 for 1. Oops. Made a mess. Yay! 2 for 2! Three for 3 is so good! All right, that's 4 for 3. We'll give him that one. 5 for 4 again.